Hello everybody. Today I wanted to show you how to make a Steam account in the 2020 on your computer. So the first thing you want to do is open up your web browser, your Chrome or Internet Explorer or whatever you use, and then you want to go to Google and then type in Steam. And then you'll see this first one right here. It says welcome to Steam. So it should look like this on your computer. And then now what you want to do is go to your login right up here. You have either your sign in, if you already made an account, to sign in through here. But if you want to make it a new account, go to create and then click on join Steam, and then it's going to ask you your email address and your confirm email, and you have this little robot thing, and you have to agree and then continue. Now I am going to create an account. I'm going to go ahead and show it to you. So you can type in any account, any email address that you have. Okay, now you want to click on this, says I'm not a robot. And then you want to click on this. It says that you are over 13 years old. And then click continue. And then it will verify your email. Just wait a minute and it will show up. What you want to do is head over to your email and then hit verify your notification. Let them know that it's you. And I will show you how to do that. See, it says here create my account. Says email verified. Okay, now you can go back to here and then you can create your Steam account name and then choose your password, and then you're good to go. So I'm going to show you my account name, and it's going to be up here. I'm going to call it Sub 1989, just for the heck of it. Okay, now all you gotta do is hit complete and sign up. And there you go. You're now completely signed in. So that's how you create a Steam account on your computer. So now that's all I'm going to show you today. And if you have any questions, comments, I'll do my best to answer. And if you like the video, please hit like and subscribe. And I will talk to you later.